Hello, and welcome to my cabin tour of a penthouse suite on the Norwegian Joy. I sailed on her in January of 2024 from Miami to Southampton. Something important to note is that these suites are not part of the Haven, so you don't have access to the Haven amenities such as the restaurant and the lounge. Here in the entrance of the cabin, you'll find two large wardrobes to your left. The wardrobe on the right has a full-length mirror on the left door, a hanging area, and shelves on the right with a safe. The safe was able to fit my iPad, but wouldn't fit my laptop. The left wardrobe is for hanging clothes with a shelf across the top. This also contained the robes and slippers, and both wardrobes have lights inside of them. There are 3 hooks by the cabin door to hang jackets or bags. There are also buttons here to activate the Do Not Disturb light or the housekeeping request lights outside the door. There's also a mirror with a shelf just outside the bathroom door. The bathroom is roomy and has a double sink with plenty of storage on the shelves above and below the sink. There's a full tub with a shower and sliding doors. And Norwegian uses L'Occitane bath products in this cabin. There are also 3 drawers under the sink. Just outside the bathroom door, you'll see the climate controls. And now we're in the main area of the room. To the left, you'll see the coffee and tea supplies and an espresso machine. There are European and US outlets here. Below, you'll find a trash can, as well as the mini fridge. And there are slim shelves above. We have a large flat panel TV on the wall. And there are 6 drawers here for storage, as well as some shelves. There's a very comfortable king-size bed and 2 nightstands. The nightstands have soft blue lights under that you can leave on at night if you wish. There's a single European outlet on the left side of the bed and a US outlet on the right side of the bed, so plan accordingly with your adapters. This cabin had 2 chairs and a table, and then a vanity area with a stool underneath to sit on. The hairdryer was also mounted down here. There's a large lighted mirror with a magnification area as well. There's also a single US and single European outlet here, as well as the mirror lighting controls. And now we'll head into the balcony. There's enough space here for a chaise lounge, as well as 2 chairs with a table. And I never get tired of this view. And that concludes our tour of a penthouse suite with balcony on the Norwegian Joy. Thanks for watching.